Yeah, hi Neil, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you. I've put a brand new laser in there and had it on test for quite a while now, and everything seems to be working. I've checked the micro switch, that's clean, and I've given the cogs a really good clean because they were quite gunked up, so I've had to give them a good clean. Right now, on one of the cogs, okay, the main drive cog, which is a bigger one, that is very, very loose. So at some stage you are going to need to replace that, or you're going to get, jumping on the CD possibly. You know what I mean? I've got them in stock, but I haven't got any free at the moment. But if you wanted one, I could sort one out for you. I think they're probably about £10 or something like that. But they're really hard to get. But that's the only issue that I can actually see here that could cause a problem later on in a year, couple of years maybe. You just have to see how you go with that. But yeah, it's working as it should be. Again, this is an older model, as you probably know. It's it's got to be. Oh, you probably look at 1980s, so it's a good few years old. So yeah, I hope that's all okay for you, and you've got a 6-month warranty on the laser part and my labour. So if anything goes wrong within 6 months on that, we repair that free of charge. All we ever ask for is the shipping money back to you, which is about £4.50. On any repair. I don't argue about any repairs or anything like that. And if you look at my video here, you can see how many videos I've got on YouTube. We've done thousands of these things, and I don't think anyone could actually say anything bad about us. So thank you very much for sending me your part. Really appreciate that. And anything else you need, just give me a shout. I'm happy to give you my number as well. So yeah, okay Neil, thank you very much, and stay safe and look after yourself, and thank you very much for your business. We do appreciate it. Have a great day.